Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 7, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. 6th row and 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row, 9th row, we have 3. Column C also we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. 3 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B and second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 4. 9th row also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column B, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row, we have 6. Column G also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column H, column G, we have 6. Second row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. 6 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column G, third row, we have pair numbers 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Second row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row and third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 6 also here. Third row and fourth row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining. 3, 6, 5. 8th grade. We have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 5th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column E, only 1 number is remaining. 5 is confirmed here. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 3 to 6. 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 6. Column F, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 8th grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1 to 8. Column F, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 8. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 8. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 9, 7. 7th row, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining. 9 is confirmed here. 4th row, only 1 number is remaining. 7 is confirmed here. First grade, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 6, 2. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 8. Column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. then 8 is here. Third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2, it will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 9. Column C, we have 2, 1, 9. So 2, 1, 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Column J, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column H, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, then 2 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. 9th grade, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 7th row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 8, 5. Column B, column D, we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column B, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. Column D, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 7, 5, 6. 5th row, we have 5 and 6, so 5 and 6 can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 2 cells. 1st grade, we have 5, 2nd row also we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column H, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 7th row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 7th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. 7th row, only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column B, we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 9 is here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 2nd row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Then 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. 2nd row, only 1 number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.